I think it's very important also to know that repertory has a lot of limitations as well, because repertorization doesn't only mean that mechanically we just put rubrics together and we get the remedy. It's a whole process. You start with the idea of trying to find the exact symptom. You start with the idea of finding the totality of symptoms, repertorize depending on the philosophy, and choosing the repertory that matches the type of case. Could be Kentian type, Bonninghausen type, Nair type, Fatak type. Some cases you might not be even able to use repertory. Some cases you have used repertory and still the patient is not improving. So it's important to know what to do when repertory fails. Many such kind of cases may require nosodes. Many such kind of cases may require sarcodes. Now, nosodes and sarcodes are not clearly put in the repertory in that way. The provings haven't been added at that level. Or in some cases, we may require newer remedies which are not proved so much. In some cases, you might have to prescribe based on the miasmatic patterns, which may not be added in the rubric. In some cases, you might have to give tautopathic remedy. You know, a patient had a lot of side effects after taking tamoxifen. I had to give tamoxifen 30 to remove the side effects of it. So we have to be very open.